Hey everybody, Tech here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the engine air filter in a Toyota Highlander. Now, this is a 2006 Toyota Highlander, but they have used the same air filter from 2001 all the way to 2013. So recently I went to one of those instant oil change places and they wanted $20 to replace this engine air filter. And I was like, no, I can do it myself. So I went on Amazon and I found this one for $7. And I'll put a link in the description down below so that you guys can get one yourself. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to change this air filter. Now, one thing I want to tell you is Toyota recommends that you change the air filter every 15 to 30,000 miles. 30,000 miles if you're going to be driving in normal conditions, and 15,000 miles if you're going to be driving in really dusty conditions. So, all right, guys, let's get down to it. All right, so the first thing we want to do is make sure that the car is turned off. And then underneath the dashboard here, there's a hood release. We're gonna pull the hood release. Once you release the hood, you can stick your hand here between the grill and the hood and pull up on this little lever here, which will release this from that. And then you take your prop rod and you stick it in this hole over here to prop up your hood. All right, so here is your air filter box. On the back side of your air filter box is two little hooks. They go into two little pins here. They kind of keep it latched down on that side. And then on this side, you have two metal clips. Now these metal clips are attached at the bottom, so you don't have to worry about them falling off and falling down in your engine compartment. There's the other clip right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this clip and pop this clip. That now allows you to expose your air filter. I'd say it was ready to be changed here, as you can see. All right, so one thing I want to show you is that one corner has a kind of a more squared edge, and the other three are more rounded, like this. The squared edge goes in this front corner up here, and make sure that the side that has a little groove all the way around is down, because that's going to sit on this little groove right here, and then the top is going to press it in. So once again, the squared corner goes up in the front up here. All right, so as you can see the difference here between the clean one and the dirty one. One thing I like to do on mine is write the mileage and the date. It's not necessary, but I like putting it on there just for my own sake. 326,934 miles, August 2nd. So, next thing I'm gonna do here is get this corner up here, stick it down along this groove right there so it sets in that groove nicely around the side here. And then you got to make sure that you get these little hooks right here underneath these little kind of bar looking things down here. On both of the back ones here. All right, so those are both in there. And then the front, all you do is pop the clips back in. There's one. It goes over this little part here. Just snap it up. And there you go. That's it. It's as simple as that. You just saved yourself $13 and it literally took maybe a minute or two to do it. All right, guys, that's how easy it is to change the engine air filter on a Toyota Highlander. So guys, if you liked this video and found it useful, please hit that like button for me. Also, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Also, feel free to leave a comment if you got something that you want to tell me. All right, I appreciate it, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.